Welcome to your calm place. Find a comfortable spot where you feel safe and settled. Let your body relax as you begin to breathe naturally. When we feel upset or angry, our hearts beat faster and our breathing gets quick. Today, we'll learn how to become our own calm captain, steering our feelings back to peaceful waters. Take a slow breath in through your nose, counting to 3. 1, 2, 3. Now breathe out through your mouth, making a gentle whoosh sound. 1, 2, 3. Feel your shoulders dropping down, away from your ears. Imagine you have a special remote control for your feelings. When things get overwhelming, you can press the pause button. Take another deep breath in, and as you breathe out, picture pressing that pause button. Everything slows down. Now imagine a warm, golden light starting at the top of your head, slowly moving down through your body. This light carries away any angry or worried feelings, replacing them with calm and strength. Breathe in peace. Breathe out tension. You are learning to be the boss of your emotions. When conflicts happen, remember this breathing and your pause button. Take 3 more gentle breaths. You're ready to face your day with calmness and confidence. You have everything you need inside you